Hi people, good morning, happy Sunday to you guys. What's up and welcome back to the channel. Jamaica Lifestyle here. So guys, how you all doing today? It's a brand new vlog, a brand new video on the channel. Happy Sunday guys. I didn't go to church this morning. Yes, I didn't go. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I didn't go, but my husband and my kids, they went to church. So I just wanted to pick up a new vlog, more like starting a new vlog for you guys. Right now, I want to cook. I want to cook coconut rice. Yes, like say coconut fried rice or just coconut rice. That's the meal. That's the Sunday meal I want to prepare right now, and I'm doing it with fish. I feel like we've eaten a lot of white meat for some time, so we have to eat fish today. And the fact that Zara doesn't eat fish. Yesterday I told her that, or I just announced that I want to cook. I'm going to be cooking coconut rice today, and Zara was like, "Mommy, you know I don't like coconut rice. I don't want to coconut rice." You guys, at that point I had to like, please don't disturb me. What do you mean that you don't eat coconut rice? I don't understand. Is it because of Zara that I'll not be cooking separate food all the time? Eh, that was that one day. There was a meal I prepared in the house one time like that. Not quite long though. I had to now prepare her own separately just because she doesn't eat that particular food. And you guys, sometimes it can be so stressful. Trust me. Don't have that. See, this rice you go chop and more. It's rice. Don't tell me that you cannot eat coconut rice because I don't have anything to even give you today. There's no, if you say there's even extra still remain, I would have said okay, I'll boil white rice, but I don't think I have any small still remain in the freezer. So that coconut rice, she go shop am and she'll take the remaining one and about that. We'll take the remaining one to school tomorrow. Yes, because I resuming school tomorrow. You get so. You guys, let me start now before they come out from church so that they can see what they're going to eat. If I have leftover stew in the freezer, maybe I might just have to boil white rice because what about that is that yes is yes, you guys. I know is no. You can't force her to do what she doesn't want to do. That's one thing about my daughter. You can never force her. If she says she will not eat that food, she will not eat that food, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I feel like avoid for me to go through the stress, for me to stress myself shouting. I don't respect myself. Find maybe small tea or something and give her because that girl, that my daughter, you guys, let me start preparing the meal right now. Can you see this particular shopper? This shopper here. I got this. Let me go hang this mic so I can show you guys where it is. I got the mic. Mic. I got this cutting. What do they call it? I got this particular cutting. I don't know if I should call it a chopper, but you guys are familiar with it, right? So I got this thing sometime in August last year, right? And you guys, the very first time I used this thing, it was so difficult. I'm like, waiting the app. I don't understand. Why is that if I want to cut carrot, I'll not be hitting this thing like this? Please, oh, has anybody really experienced this type of this particular thing before? Because now Instagram gonna make people buy this thing. I saw it on Instagram, like, what is actually really good. They're gonna make my life easier instead of cutting on chopping board with knife. Now I can't go buy this thing last year, you guys. Oh, the very first time I used it last year ago, since that time I've not used it up till now. I have not used it. I just kept it up there in my kitchen. Just let it there because I'm like, what the hell? You cannot come and stress me. So I put it out right now. Let me even try. Let me see because I see people using it. I'm like, if people can use it, then let me just try. But everything they had, I go just still go sell them or I go dump and sell it because I not fish out. I beg, I not fish out. So I'm gonna try using it to cut carrots again. Let's see how it's gonna work. If it's still giving me that issue because I've not even used it just once. Just once I used it, you guys. Just once. It's actually nice, so but I feel like the stress of using it is just a lot. But let's see how it goes again. Let me try again. Maybe if I should try it again, I might, enjoy using it. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Let me cook. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you all much later. Kisses. the way everywhere is so quiet, you guys. Like everywhere is literally quiet in the house. Yeah, the kids they resume school. They resume school today. They gone to school, and I'm so thankful that they're fine, they're well. They resume school in peace and good health. Like you guys, there's peace in this house. No noise, nothing. They also even come back. So this is already to 12. Whenever they resume, the first week they might close by 1 p.m. So this is the 12. Another 1 hour now, 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours. Though noise go start again. But let me just enjoy the moment for now. So guys, I got a particular product. It's a skincare product which is Dang. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you know Dang Lifestyle. Dang Lifestyle is owned by Ife, right? Ife is Diary of a Niger girl. I don't know if you guys know her on Instagram. So she's into skincare product, and it's not like I've been wanting to buy her products, right? I've not really, had any intention of buying at all. But however, I've always known that her skincare product is so expensive. But then that's not even the reason why I've not really wanted to buy. I just feel like there's no need or something yet. So what made me even buy this product is I was walking. I did my workout last week Thursday, so I was just walking, normal exercise outdoor walking. And I've always known where her store is here in Surulere. So I just walked past. I'm like, let me go enter this first and let me even know what's inside there. And I saw a lot of products. The lady there, I told her that please, I really need product that can actually clear off spots on my face. So she now recommended this particular products, which is serum, right? It's Dang niacinamide plus acetyl glucosamine serum. So it's sealed, right? But I started using it last week Thursday, so hence the way it's like this right now. So I started using it, and hopefully it does the job. These spots on my face needs to clear, you guys. I was using this particular simple refreshing facial wash, and you guys, within 2 to 3 days I started seeing acne on my face. I'm like, what is this? Pimples here everywhere, even this one that is even here, this one here, you guys. It's this particular simple product, this one here. Can you please, this one here, and this thing now gave me all this pimple there for my face, so I had to like abandon it immediately. However, I was using this particular facial wash for my face. That was until 2023, even till date. Because that this one got exhausted, I'm like, hey, let me try simple. I saw it take on the give me acne for my face. So I've dumped it, you guys, and I went to buy this particular one back that is okay for my face. I use this particular this particular um shower gel for bathing, and I discovered that it has the same ingredient like these two here. They have the same ingredients. And no wonder whenever I use this one to wash my face, I hardly see pimples on my face. Even when I was even using this one like almost 2 years, I hardly see pimples on my face. So how come I now say, okay, let me switch to this particular one? I'm not seeing pimples, so I've stopped it. Hopefully this product that was recommended to me, Dang, hopefully it works. And it's so expensive, you guys. I got this thing for 12,225 naira. Like freaking expensive. Well, her product has always been expensive. Me, I know. Just that there was no plan to buy from there. I just wanted to just walk in and see what her store looks like. And you guys, her product is not cheap. There's nothing like, I normally see product of 5,000 naira, there was 7,000. As from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if you're looking for what to buy from Dang, whole money, a product what is not cheap. So this is the bag they gave to me. They just put this tiny product here. It's sealed anyway, so just put it inside this bag. I'm like, this bag is too big for this small thing. Why now? They said that's how they used to do. Okay, I said, "Oh, I come and carry the thing." They go. So guys, I've been using this since last week Thursday. Hopefully it does the job. Where I'm tying this cafe, my hair is so bad, you guys. I need to lose the hair. My hair is so bad, you guys. So guys, I want to start my day right now. I need to be productive right away. I need to edit a video that's supposed to be up tomorrow. That's because tomorrow is going to be a very busy day for me. I'm supposed to bake. I have to bake tomorrow. Yes. So hence me editing the video today so that it will be up tomorrow. Not like, so that it's not like when I'm working, I'm not thinking that, hey, I've never posted video. No. That video needs to be edited, uploaded on scheduled on YouTube, so that I can have that peace of mind that okay, oh, I don't have to be worried about um no video on my channel. So guys, I'm going to talk to you all later. Let me start um my day. Let me start my day. I also need to even make yogurt drink, supply yogurt drink today. So I still have things to do. My God, guys, I'm going to talk to you much later. Please do it to like the video. Let me know what you think about this particular product that I got. Do you think it's expensive? It's expensive. Just let me know what you think in the comments, and hopefully it works. Okay, if according to lecturers, like I should see the aesthetician, but they have a skin doctor too as well. They have for online, right, and on site, but they don't have on site for now. So she was like, if I can book for their skincare doctor online, so that I can explain to them what's happening on my face. But I don't think there's too much happening on my face. It's just the spots. I just want the spot to disappear. So yeah, hence me buying the products. So guys, I'm gonna see you for later. Enough of the talking. See, almost eight. I don't enter 8 minutes. That video that I'm editing, the video can't time me to edit. I don't know. I don't know whether you guys. For me, sometimes vlogs always. I always get tired of editing vlogs, and some days I enjoy it. You understand? But this time around, the thing just tire me to edit. One lie to lie.
Oh my gosh.
Hmm?
No, I'm not get.
Yeah, sure. If you want to show now, I'm holding you.
What's that?
Hey, Jesus, look at my glasses. Don't spoil my glasses, please. Go and put on my work table. They are come back from school, oh. They don't come back now. They don't make a year old. Eh? They don't come back from school. They don't make a year old.
That is why came late to come up with us.
So I'm having pork meat, you guys.
Chicken.
I've eaten pork meat before.
The person that are buying for the person should bring good pocket.
It does nice
Very
pork
good.
meat. Pork meat is very, very nice, you guys. I observed that some people don't like pork meat. But I like pork meat, you guys. There's a woman that is very close to my house here. She does it a lot. Like she does it really, really nice. I'm having it. I want chop.
Yes.
I don't want your natches around.
We are blocking the camera out. So
What's it pork meat?
yes.
But you don't give me your own now.
Ye.
Hmm?
I gave you. Your daddy own.
Well,
The
that's
daddy
it.
that gave you, daddy own. But me.
I also have chicken, yeah. So, go on. This is live chicken. Leftover chicken from Easter. I don't like live chicken, you guys. I don't like this one.
I like this one. I like because this
I
one.
prefer
This one
frozen chicken than live chicken.
has still chicken.
Same. Happy school resumption.
Hello. Happy school resumption.
I've been, I've been trying to edit my video, you guys, my vlog. The thing time me to edit. I don't know why you. Just tell me, you guys. Now I come say make I dey watch vlog for YouTube. But I have to edit that video because tomorrow I have to bake tomorrow. I'm going to bake, so I don't want everyone will not have a video on my channel. Now I'm done with this protein. I'm going
It's highly protein.
yeah, very, very proteinous. And my meal for today, protein is my meal for today. I don't want to eat food today. So chicken, probably my tagano. I'm going to put my tagano for me, come see. So now I'm done with this, you guys. And call it end of meal for today. Another kidney. People like chicken there. Hey, I like it too. Is it okay? So I'm having this protein with tiger nuts. So this is what I'm gonna have for today. I should do one.
Shake it.
One chicken.
Yeah.
Let me say yes now. I like chicken. Come see you. You want?
Yes.
I have to say no.
I like giving me this small thing.
That's not well. Sometimes I feel like vlog is very easy for me to edit. Sometimes I feel like it's hard. But see today only, I just feel so lazy now to go and edit that video, to be honest.